Hello students, myself Ajit Kumar from techniyojan. Today we'll see a tutorial onto the addition of a video file onto a web page using HTML5, right? So previously we have seen some basic tags like a P tag, that is paragraph tag, to add some text. Then you can say a bold tag to make bold, that is you can say a text formatting style. Then we had checked on with heading tags and all. So today we'll see the and previously also we have seen the addition of audio file as well, right? So now today we'll see regarding the video file addition. So let us start, students. Before starting out, you have to save this, right? As I always used to say you all students. So now what we'll do is first of all we will type the name wherever you save it, but make it sure to save it with your .html extension, right? So I guess this will be 5.html. I will take it out like this and I will save this, and you know that this see when I enter this actually this is Sublime text editor, as I always used to use it while doing the HTML programming or PHP, you can say, for creation of, you can say, web pages, right? So it's a simple one. The video is also available. I will how to download and install this file, right? So please make it sure to check the description box below for the link of the download software, you can say, the Sublime text editor 3 its name is. Then first we will start, but before starting I will request you students that please subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can get the notification of the latest videos added to this channel. And definitely like the video if you like it, and share with your friends, students, right? So that they can make some addition to their knowledge of HTML programming, right? So first of all we will take the h1, right? As h1 is for heading tag, some heading to be displayed. I'm interested in displaying some heading, right? So basic or video file tutorial, video file addition to a web page, right? This is the heading and I will close it out over here, right? So heading gone. Then we'll check it out with the title. So video, you can say tutorial, right? Video tutorial. So then over here video tutorial, and what I will do is I have done this video the heading tag. Now I will do the addition of this video tag. So students, main is this section, right? This is the video tag, and by this only you can add a video. So for this we can take a source. Let us take this source, I will mention it later on, and the controls to display, right? As you know that in Windows Media Player and all that, you know that we have some shuffle all, shuffle off, or you can say your play button, pause button, mute button, these all actually are there. So now the width, what the width is, we have to make sure I guess we'll take 300, okay, and height also same, to display as 3x3, 300 by 300 pixels, right? So I have taken this height and width. Now what I will do is I will make it autoplay, okay? So this is fine. Now done, okay? So now for first of all we will mention the page file. So over here let us see. Okay, first of all I will go to my folder. You can say a video file, right? So where is the video file? First right? So we'll check it, this rename video like this, and I have to, obviously I have to mention this, you can say a file format, right? So Right, let I change the code first. It's MP4, right? We will check it out like that. What it is? MP4. 1 second. Let I check which file format. Yes, .mp4 it is. See over here it has mentioned like this. See over here. Okay, .mp4. So now what I will do is I will refresh it. First of all, I will save this over here and not to use to purchase this. Okay, it's Ajit K and under downloads actually, right? Okay, so okay, see over here students, it came. Okay, now if I press the play button, say it plays out like this. I guess you are observing this, right? So the mute is there. This all comes when you mention the attribute controls of video tag. Now actually one question you could face that sir, you have taken autoplay, but then why not being autoplayed, right? So what I will do is see the browser may not support. We'll take another browser, right? See over here, done. You seen it automatically plays. Okay students, so this was the tutorial for your video tag edition, video file edition you can say. In the next lecture we'll see some more. Hope so you enjoyed this video. I guess this video taken some long time, a simple one, but you can manage, right? Till then, thank you students. Subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon and like the video if you like it. Definitely share with your friends students so that they can get helped out from you. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.